Chapter 1. Present. Zach. Paycheck. Zach hit the ground again, his practice sword flying away as his opponent disarmed him. He groaned and got up to his feet, looking at the other warden. Emra was a senior warden, a Ravzer who looked like a big were-tiger, and he was in charge of training other wardens in advanced combat. He usually taught younger wardens, or at least those who were less powerful. On paper, Zach and Emra were in the same power level class. Emra was higher in level, but his path wasn't even in the Foundation realm, and he had a greater mastery of skills. Their practice fights weren't all one-sided. Zach could hold his own, and his abilities were good enough to give the man problems, but Zach could see the difference in their fighting styles. Emra was a weapons master, and knew how to fight with almost every weapon. He was even better than Zach at swordplay. Zach hadn't had the chance to train and learn the sword as much as he wanted. Even though it was his focus, there had been no great sword masters left on Earth for him to learn from. Those who had survived the framework were pale shadows of the masters who had lived long ago in a time when knowing the sword was something more. He had tried to teach himself, as much as one could, and follow his skills in order to learn more, but he could see now that there was much for him to learn. "You still need to work on your ability rotation," Emra said as he retrieved Zach's practice sword and put it on the rack. "Knowing when to use your abilities is crucial for a classer." Zach nodded his head, having come to learn a lot more about the way classers fought. "Thank you for the extra lesson," Zach said. Emra waved his clawed hand. "I appreciate it when my students want to learn more, although you and Nyathala are a special case." Zach nodded his head. The Cthulhu was his fellow student, someone else who had joined the Wardens under special circumstances. Zach had only met her a few days ago and hadn't had much chance to really get to know her and her circumstances, although he doubted that they were anything like his situation. "I still expect you for our regular lessons tomorrow morning," Emra said as he gathered his things. Zach assured the man that he would be there, and waved as his instructor left. Zach cleaned up and changed his clothes slowly, taking the time to think a bit about what he needed to do. He still had some essence saved up from the bounty that he and Gris had received for the miners, and he was thinking about leveling up. Most of what Emra instructed him in was the general stuff, but he did also recommend some tomes that he could check up in the Citadel's library. He had been meaning to visit and see if he could learn something more. Making a decision, after he was finished, he made his way to the library, intending to read and learn more before he leveled. He left the training grounds and headed toward one of the Citadel's towers, but as he was crossing the central courtyard, a voice called after him. "Zach!" someone yelled, and Zach turned around. Gris was waving at him and rushing to catch up. "Hey, Gris," Zach greeted the Drake. The two of them hadn't exactly had a chance for a real conversation since his talk with the Warden Commander. "I've been searching for you all over," Gris said with a smile. "I've good news." "Oh?" "Yes, the Warden Commander just approved a bonus for us, and we're cleared to pick it up." "A bonus?" Zach asked. "For the information we brought back, the unidentified group we encountered." "I thought that we hadn't learned enough for it to be useful," Zach said. "Apparently the Warden Commander disagrees. I made a full report to her personally, and she seemed to think that just what we knew was valuable." Zach nodded. "So, what kind of a bonus are we talking about?" "Essence, some stat-increasing elixirs, and one-time access to the Citadel's dungeon," Gris said excitedly. Zach blinked at that. He knew already that Wardens received essence through the framework interface once per month. It was basically a salary. It was extremely low, a few dozen greater essence, which wasn't enough to live on, but apparently that could be increased based on a person's contribution, which was, in essence, a questing system.